To set an image as your watch face on your Huawei Band 11 Pro is fairly simple. You just need to open up the Huawei Health app and select your band, and then you want to scroll and select the option My Faces. From here, it should then open up the menu, and in this menu, you should see the current faces that are added to your band. Now, if you go through this menu, you should see this option labeled Gallery, and it has an Add Photo option. So when you tap on it, now all you need to do is simply set up your image as your watch face. To do that, you're going to come here and select plus or add on this add images section. Then you can choose to take a photo or select an image from your gallery. You may be prompted to allow access to your gallery, so go ahead and give that access, and then choose an image you wish to use. Once you've selected the image, go ahead and adjust it to your liking to suit how it's going to look like on the band, and then tap on the check mark to confirm your traces. From here, you should see how it looks like. So before you go even a step further, you can scroll down and change the color of the image itself. You can customize it to your liking. You can choose to change the style of the clock, and you can even choose to change the font, position, and all sorts of things. So go ahead and just add whatever it is that you want to add, whether it's a steps counter or whatever it is. And then once you've finished with all of your customizations and you're happy with how it looks like, then all you need to do is simply select Apply. Wait for it to be applied, so you can see it saying Transferring Image. And once done successfully, you can now be able to see your brand new watch face with your chosen image. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below, and I'll see you in the next video.